Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a new user to your Zoho CRM account. This simple process will help you onboard team members quickly and manage your user settings more efficiently. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM website. Once there, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. You'll be redirected to the login portal. Enter your Zoho email address, click Next, and then type your password. Once everything is entered correctly, click Sign In to access your Zoho CRM dashboard. On your homepage, select Setup. This will take you to the Setup section where all the account management features are located. Within the Setup page, focus on the General tab. Here you'll find the User section. This is where you can manage all your current users and add new ones. To add a new user, click on the New User button. This will open a form where you can input the new user's details. Start by entering the first and last name of the user. This is important for personalization and makes it easier to manage accounts in the future. Next, input their email address. Make sure it's valid because Zoho will send the account verification and login information to this email. After adding the email, assign a role to the new user. The role determines their level of access and the features they can use in your CRM. Following this, select a profile access type that defines the information and capabilities the user should have. Take a moment to double-check all the details to ensure accuracy. Finally, click Save. This confirms the addition of the new user to your Zoho CRM account. You'll see that the new user is now listed and ready to receive their login credentials. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user to Zoho CRM, making team management easier and more organized. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Zoho tutorials and tech tips.